Let's take a look at how to use the standards scoring sheet, a tool to help you prioritize which standards you want to dive in and explore in more depth. Lots of standards, and we can't explore all of them to the same degree, so this will help you figure out which ones are just quick hitters and which ones to spend more time diving into. So all the standards are listed over here in columns A through D. And then for each standard, we've given it, the Van Andel Institute for Education has given it a score in 3 different criteria. How much of a building block it is, how multidisciplinarily applicable it is, and what level of thinking is involved. Now, we are not the be-all and end-all, so you may feel free to edit any of these scores, but it gives you or your colleagues or your staff a great starting spot. So you can look at these scores, change anything that you want. The scores are all kept in these blue tabs, the tabs with the blue line under them over here. And then once you've got scores all set the way you like in a particular subject area, or if you're in middle school in a particular grade level, then you can come over to the red tabs, the tabs with the red underline, and it will prioritize those standards based on their cumulative score. If you want to see them all at once, you can go to the final tab, see them all across the curriculum. This gives you a starting spot for which standards to really focus on and make sure that students understand in depth. Enjoy.